Hi, I'm Bobby Bellagio from Miller Middle School, and I'm going to talk about Google Drawings and how you can use it in assignments for students. So basically, Google Drawings is like a poster board. The really cool thing about Google Drawings is the students can make that paper or project board into any size that they would like. The bigger, the better, even if they eventually paste it into a slide or a document, they should make it really large here. Another thing is that students should use the search for images inside of Google Drawings so that they can practice good citizenship and use drawings that are available for reuse. So I'm not going to spend a lot of time on how to make the drawing itself because it's very similar to other Google applications. What I'm going to talk to you about today is how do you set this up for students for assignments. So the way that I did it is I created a sample assignment and I put my directions in a comment so that the students could see my directions while they were actually had the document open. In addition, when I create the document on Google Classroom, I do put the directions in there as well. So I'm going to show you what I do in Google Classroom, but I'm going to use a slideshow for that because of student privacy. So I created this and my students did it, and I was able to see how many of them completed it. When I set it up, this is the information I put in, which is the same directions that I had in the comments. Once students have completed their assignments, I can go and look in Google Classroom and I can see little thumbnails of what they did. So even at this level, I have an idea of who has done what. Then when I go to grade it, I just click on a student's assignment. It pops up in a new window and it gives me the student's assignment, and I have the ability to give students feedback and make comments. And there is a comment bank, so if there's things that you want to say similarly, you can store them in the comment bank, and you can actually modify those comments when you load them in. So these are some things that I have in the comment bank here. My comment bank applies to all of the classes I teach. Then I can also look at how long the students spent working on this. Did somebody else work with them? Do I want to see maybe something in a previous version? So if I want to see that, I click on this little drop down and it'll show me all of the menus. And then I can click on the file menu to see the version history of the student's work, and then I can click on the particular version that I would like to see. And when you click on that, it'll show you what the student had. In this particular assignment, it was just a blank assignment, the one that I had pushed out to all of the students. So that's just some basics about it. Also in here is where you will put your score, and that can upload automatically to Aries, but that's a whole different topic. So I hope your students have fun using Google Drawings.